I have a super exciting unboxing. I'm really excited. It's a lemaire bag, and I picked it out on Essence, and it's so cute. Wait, hold on. Let me take the wrapper off the handle. I don't have anything from lemaire, so I'm really excited. And I also kind of don't really have a bag like this. She's so cute. Wait, let me make her longer. I saw this bag on Essence. There were a few that caught my eye, but I don't know. I really like the size and the style, and I need something that can hold my glasses case because I only carry my glasses in its case. So cute! This is so cute. It's like the perfect. Like, and this is what it looks like inside. I think she's really big. Actually, she's super spacious. I feel like she fit so much. Yep, this was a gift.